for those customers who are needing the more advanced features that lithium batteries have to offer, we have our more intelligent design in our InSight battery product line. You'll see right away that this battery has a power button on it, so you can turn it on and off to conserve power. It's got a heat sink built in, which allows it to have a greater current carrying capacity, greater power for those more demanding machines. We also have communication available on this battery if you want to integrate it into a machine such as OEM or manufacturer, or if you just want to take advantage of our fuel gauge accessory or our remote power button, you can also utilize the connections to the COM ports. You'll notice this battery is in a GC2 size, very familiar. Some people refer to that as a 6-volt battery size. Very, very common battery design that Ford machines are built around. We have 24 volt and 48 volt models available right now, and coming soon we're going to have a 36 volt and a 12 volt version of this battery. So no matter what Ford machine you have, variety, type, size, or the purpose of your Ford machine, we've got the battery that needs right for you, even including larger steel case batteries for large ride-along machines.